Manila, the awards guru here in the country, and definitely he is part of the event for the Tourism Circle Awards, wherein they will be honoring, of course, travel organizations, tourism industries during the event. So later on, we'll be hearing from him. In the meantime, I'd like to introduce, of course, one of our sponsors for this event, which is sponsored for the longest time of all our travel expos and other activities. We have Mr. Earl Hayona, of course, Senior Marketing Manager for IMO Philippines. A warm round of applause for him as well. And I know you guys are quite curious with the new logo that you're seeing right now on the packaging, and of course on the marketing collaterals. Maybe you can ask that question, why is it a new logo of IMO right now? Anyway, let's move on. A friend of ours as well, who would like to welcome from HR Cap, Chef Manny De Leon, of course, from the Hotel Restaurant Chefs Association of Philippines, and representing as well Valencia's Restaurant, one of our event donors as well. And from our partner in partnership, of course, partnering this event and helping us out, of course, to gather more participating sponsors and exhibitors for this event, we have our Step Up Travel, Mr. Cookie Benito. Let's not forget to mention as well and welcome our friend. Thank you for the last minute, for joining us the last minute. Of course, our friend from Guam Visitors Bureau. Guam with me, of course, our sales manager, Mr. Philip Gedron. So Philip. And finally, hosting our press conference. Without them, you guys won't be enjoying that wonderful food earlier. They were the ones who prepared that for you. And in case you guys would want some coffee, our friends from the media are addicted with coffee, so there are overflowing coffee for everybody. Courtesy of our friends, of course, our host for this press conference, the general manager of One Stella Hotels and Resorts, Sir Tom. So now, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to hand over the microphones, of course, to our friends and panelists here to invite each and everybody to the upcoming Travel and Lifestyle Expo 2025 on August 29 to 31 at the Ayala Mall Circuit in Makati, and their respective participation, of course, and for them as well to promote whatever promos or discounts or offerings that they'll be doing during the 3-day event. So let's start off with our friend, of course, from HR Cap. From Hotel and Restaurant Chefs Association of the Philippines, we have Chef Manny. Please, Chef Manny.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Actually, I worked also here in Sierra Garden before as a general manager. But now I'm concentrating my career in cooking, and of course, I'm also a part of Hotel and Restaurant Chef Association of the Philippines, one of a board member. And also, I'm handling the operation and culinary kitchen in Valencia's Restaurant in Baguio. And of course, pag napunta po kayo, you are welcome to visit and to live dun sa lugar namin. And of course, we have expansion in Bulacan, summer in Pulilan, and summer in Bulacan. Hopefully, magkita-kita po tayo this coming Travel and Lifestyle on August 29 to 31. Correct me po lang, no? Sir JC. So, thank you so much for inviting me. Of course, Sir JC, matagal na natin kaibigan to. Sinusuportahan natin. Thank you so much po in behalf of HR Cap and Valencia's Restaurant.
Thank you, Chef. Thank you. Now, we'd like to hear from Sir Victor, of course, from Step Up Travel and Events.
So, good afternoon, everyone. We're really happy to be here. First of all, thank you, JC, a long-time friend that we know. We're so happy to be able to participate in TLE 2025. So, my name is Victor. I am the Sales and Marketing Director for Step Up Travel and Events. We are a 14-year-old travel and events organization. We're based in Ortigas. So what we do is basically we are a niche company. You won't see us doing like those pack promos. That's what we do not do. But what we do is customize for everyone. With the rise of preferential travel, each experience tailor-made for each individual, for each family, for each group. Whether it's a two-person travel to 400 people, 500 people travel, we can customize. We do customize packages for you. So that's basically what we do. We have a team of travel specialists who will assist you with all your travel investments. And with that sense, production as well. If you have parties, events, anywhere in the globe, we can have them.
Thank you, Sir Cookie. Now let's hear it from our friend from Best Magazine Tourism Circle Awards, of course, who will be definitely honoring and recognizing some of our travel partners from the hotel and the hospitality and travel industry. Would like to hear from Mr. Richard Munoz.
Good afternoon to everyone. This coming August 29th to 31st, we're going to honor some of the outstanding restaurants, resorts, and other hospitality. So, good luck.
Thank you so much, Sir Richard. Now let's hear it from our friend from IMO Philippines, Mr. Earl Leona. Sir.
Hello, good afternoon to everyone. So, we're very happy to participate with the Lifestyle and Travel Expo. We have been the pioneer sponsor for this event. So, every year we're participating. And I think this is the third year, right? Alright, so why we are here, and maybe you're looking at the boxes here and the paper bags here. This is our new look. This is IMO's new look. So we have changed the packaging for almost 50 years. This is the first time that IMO changed its packaging. So we want a fresher, older, revised, and more refreshed look for the brand, because we want to evolve. We want to continue evolving, of course. So we have to really change the packaging. At the same time, we have a global unification of the boxes. So wherever you go in the Southeast Asian region, even to Mexico, you're going to see the same packaging and the same logo. And in our brand, yes, of course, please come and join us in our booth. It will be a very immersive booth, fun games, and of course education for eye care. Of course, this is the main advocacy of IMO, is to promote eye care for everyone. Thank you.
So Earl, maybe you can also mention in passing, of course, the upcoming, brand launch of the new look of IMO. If you can invite some of our friends from the media.
Yeah, so we'd like to everyone in the press and media, if you can come. It's going to be on September 5. That will be on Electric Garden, in Electric Garden, BGC. So we're going to be having the main and press and media launch for the IMO new package.
There you go. Thank you so much, Mr. Earl Leona. The new look of IMO, again, just in case you guys were wondering, why do they join expos and travel and lifestyle, events like this? It's because they are the ones who actually take care of the eyes of the travelers, the mga wanderers who are going to vacations and stuff. Of course, it should be included in their kit when they travel, of course, because it will take care of their, taking care of their eyes. Now, anyways, let's move on to our friend, of course, from Guam Visitors Bureau, Sir Philip, please.
Hello everyone, thank you for joining us this afternoon. So my name is Philip. I am the sales manager for the Guam Visitors Bureau. We are actually part of the Guam government. We are the DOT of the Guam government here in the Philippines. So this is our first time participating in the event. So when we found out from Step Up and from JJ Events that this is happening, we are very much excited to join, because I know that the crowds that will be joining the event, the travelers will be joining the event, are part of the demographics that we are actually trying to reach out. So, as you know, Guam is, first and foremost, we are a shopping destination, but we are also a small island with very beautiful things that you can do. We are very small, but we are packed with adventures. Like what I mentioned, we are a shopping destination, we are a beach destination. We are also, not a lot of people know that Guam is also a pilgrimage destination as well. Guam is where Pedro Calungsod was actually, that's where he died, and where he was pronounced as a saint. So Guam is also a very beautiful destination for golf. So if you or your clients or your relatives who want to go golfing, Guam is also a very beautiful destination. As being part of the United States, we are one of the destinations under the United States. We are also a destination for LGBT marriages. So wedding destinations, we have most of the big hotels in the island also have small chapels there, so they can do intimate groups, they can do intimate weddings, they can go do big weddings there as well. So we are a small island packed with big adventures. So we invite you all to come visit us in Guam, and during the event, please do come and visit us in our booth so we can tell you more about our beautiful destination. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sir Philip. Thank you. Maybe one question that will arise later on that will be asked for you would be, bakit marami daw Ilocano sa
I'll answer that straight away, sir. Actually, just to let you know, Guam, if you're in Guam, you'll notice that there's a lot of Filipino. You wouldn't be feeling too far from home because 27% of our population are actually Filipinos. And it goes, yes, it goes back.
27%.
27% are out of the 27%, maybe half of that are Ilocanos.
I heard, sabi nga ng isang media friend natin, sabi na, when I said, maraming Pilipino sa Guam, hindi po maraming Ilocano.
Kasi before, there are a lot of, Guam used to be like pineapple and sugar plantations. So way back, so we have a lot of farmers from that region in the Philippines. They went there, and then after, I think in the 1960s, when Guam was, what do you call that? There's a Chamorro where all the population of Guam became U.S. citizens. Then also the Filipinos living there also became U.S. citizens as well.
Thank you so much for telling us that bit of history for Guam. Now, let's hear it from our friend, of course, from Cela Hotels and Resorts. Sir Dom, please.
Thank you. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I warmly welcome you to our hotel here in Salapots. And thank you for inviting us. Of course, we support the Travel and Leisure Lifestyle Expo. So we are One Cela Hotels, actually. We have 5 properties. We have no urban setting. The Cela Garden is like a resort in an urban place. It has 84 rooms and 4 function rooms. A total of 84 well-appointed rooms. And second and third is here in the Salapots Hotel. We have about 106 rooms and 202 well-appointed loft beds. So a total of 398 for the 3 properties. We also have a resort in Bustos, Bulacan. They call it My Cabin. And the other one is in Endang, Cavite, which we call it La Ravine. So these properties will be supporting the event, and will be offering best available rates. So all of our properties has its own unique ambience and activities. Like here in Paach, we call it the Cela Sky. So we have lots of activities like the bridge walk, the Burma Bridge, the big swing. We all have that also in outdoor properties in the Cela Garden and the 2 resorts. But here in Salapots, we have a very nice ballroom that can accommodate 300 in ballroom setup, and we have some breakout rooms as well. So it's good for meetings and events. So I will welcome you, especially the media, and if you have your personal celebrations, occasions, you can contact us. Our sales is readily available, so we can give you special rates on those occasions. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sir Dom, of course, our friend from One Cela Hotels and Resorts. So now it's time for our friends from the media to ask some questions.